Hey guys, in this digest, video conferencing in a Tesla. Employees don't like Elon's tweets, and Tesla is leaving California. About Tesla. Tired of Zoom? Try a Tesla. Elon Musk says Tesla will eventually offer video conferencing in cars, since the hardware is already there. Model 3 is equipped with a standard cabin-facing camera located in the rearview mirror. It's supposed to monitor driver's attention while on autopilot and will be used in Tesla's robo-taxi for safety. You'll be able to use the camera for yoga classes or teacher-parent conference if needed. Please don't hate me. Those who like counting other people's money like we do found out Tesla's median market cap has achieved a 6-month average of $100.2 billion, meaning Elon will get the first out of 12 parts of his compensation plan. Musk doesn't accept a salary from Tesla but gets stock options when hitting a performance target. He received 1.69 million shares at a price of $350 each, meaning he gets almost $700 million. Musk will possibly have to sell some of those shares, despite him saying he doesn't do that. He'll have to pay a lot of taxes. But the prospect of opening the Fremont factory makes Elon more happy than any bonus, since the governor of California announced the next phase of reopening the state. Places like clothing stores, bookstores, sporting goods stores, and florists can reopen and work with curbside pickup. This also includes manufacturing plants, and Tesla was about to open. It's not that simple though. Alameda County is very much against Tesla factories starting back up, even with only 30% of workforce. A health officer, Erica Pan, said Tesla should not reopen despite the fact that a lot of other manufacturing plants have. Elon Musk criticized this decision and said this was the final straw. Tesla had filed a lawsuit against Alameda County, and Elon decided to move the company's headquarters to Texas or Nevada. Musk said Tesla's future in California will be dependent on how the company is treated. He also mentioned they successfully handled the pandemic in China and they know what to do. As a result, Elon decided to reopen Fremont factory despite Alameda County orders. He tweeted that he's going to work together with other employees, and if anyone's arrested, he asks that it only be him. The mayors of Palo Alto and Fremont are ready to support Tesla. Not really surprising, considering the company is a big employer and pays a lot of taxes. The governor of California, Gavin Newsom, is also ready to help. Tesla is the only car maker left in California and the second largest exporter in state. They're the only car maker in the country that's not allowed to reopen. What about gigafactories? The German Minister of Economy, Peter Altmaier, said Gigafactory Berlin construction is going as planned and they don't expect any delays. The head of Tesla Europe, Sascha Zand, is leaving, apparently because of disagreements with Elon Musk. As for Gigafactory Shanghai, it's been closed for a few extra days after Chinese holidays, but it was supposed to get back to production by now. Meanwhile, an anonymous professional network, Blind, decided to ask Tesla employees what they think about Musk's comments on Twitter. 53.7% of respondents believe Musk's Twitter activity is harming the company. Blind also asked what they think of Elon. 26.1% of respondents believe Elon Musk is a genius. 10.9% of them think he's misunderstood, 10.9% say he is an internet troll, and 43.5% of respondents said all of the above. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Model 3 became the best-selling car in the UK in April with 15% market share. Sounds great, doesn't it? But it's only 658 cars, so it's not that much. What I'm trying to say is, guys, double-check the information you read and hear. But let's get back to other news. A YouTube user, Electric Future, and a designer, Jan Peiser, joined together to create a vision of Cybertruck as a military electric vehicle. About Tesla Energy. Tesla is partnering with the biggest residential solar installer in the US. In 2016, Tesla bought SolarCity. It was the biggest solar installer back then, but in 2018, Sunrun left Tesla behind. Now, two companies partnered, and Sunrun will offer their clients to install Tesla Powerwall together with their solar panels. Meanwhile, Tesla is offering a price match guarantee. You only need to make an offer and send the competitor's estimate. About SpaceX. The fourth Starship prototype passed its second and third static fire tests with 7.5 bar pressure. SN4 is now waiting for a 150-meter hop test with a Raptor engine. There's no official date yet, but it's somewhere around the 13th, 14th or 15th of May. Will it survive the hop? Let's make a bet, but frankly speaking, even if it won't, SN6 and SN5 are almost ready. As for Starlink, the launch is happening on May 17th. For those who are not impressed with Starlink launches anymore, only 10 days after that, SpaceX is planning the first manned mission. Crew Dragon should launch on May 27th, and we will not miss it. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week.